Vaccination of healthcare workers will therefore no longer be mandatory for current network employees, but it will be mandatory for all new employees.
The Quebec government is backtracking on its vaccine mandate for healthcare workers, saying the loss of unvaccinated staff, about 8,000, would have a devastating effect on the system. Health Minister Dube said Wednesday that its plan to suspend unvaccinated workers as of November 15th would have forced a health network to reduce services and compromised efforts to improve conditions for existing staff.
Healthcare workers who are unvaccinated do not have access to COVID or retention bonuses. We also continue to require that unvaccinated workers be tested at least 3 times per week, both public and private. This is not negotiable. And we will be uncompromising for those who do not want to be tested. They will be suspended without pay, which is already the case in several establishments.
The government originally set an October 15 deadline for healthcare workers to get their 2 shots, but extended it by a month in the hopes of convincing the remaining holdouts to get their doses. The health minister says 97% of healthcare workers are vaccinated against COVID-19.
I want to send a message to the healthcare workers who are not vaccinated. As workers in the health network, you have a moral duty to protect the clients that you treat and to protect your fellow citizens. You also need to show solidarity with your colleagues who may have to suffer an even greater shortage of staff if you find yourself suspended.